this video I'm going to show you how to build a modern dental website in just 10 minutes, and you can download this exact template for free to use for your service. By the end you'll have a professional client-ready website that actually attracts more patients without spending thousands or knowing any code. So let's go. The first step is to go to the Gemini, and over here on the bottom click Tools and make sure to select this canvas, and over here type in a prompt. You can see this super simple prompt, but make sure to include this high converting complete one-page landing website, and it will create this. Download our website and upload it to the Cloudflare, which is a free hosting, and I will show you how to add forms to it. It's very simple. For now we will do this share and click copy contents, and I will open Visual Studio. You can use a notepad if you want, so go to File, New Text File, and just paste the content here. Click Ctrl S to save it, and save this as index.html. But important thing is that we need to create a new folder because Cloudflare needs a folder, so this will be called website. And go inside the website and click Save. And after that we need to go to our Cloudflare, make an account here, and go to account home. You can see the dashboard. Click here on the right side Add, and click Pages, and click here drag and drop your files. Get started. Project name Dentist. Click Create Project, and we need to upload our files. So just drag and drop your folder inside and wait for a few moments, and click Deploy Site. And just click Continue to Project, and over here you can see our deployments. If you go here and click it, you can see your website. I mean, this website is absolutely incredible. If you go F12, you can go to the mobile view, and you can see, you can choose any phone here. You can see how it looks on a mobile phone. Absolutely responsive, great looking website. This website means nothing if we can't make this form works. So we go to the Web3 forms. You have a link in the description. Hit continue. We continue with free tier, and you can see domain name. You will add this custom domain, but for testing you will add this domain of our website. Paste it here, create form. And right now we need to copy this form access key. We go back to Gemini and just type in adapt form for V3 forms. And because we are working in Canvas, this will be very quickly to do. After the website is generated, just click here share, copy contents again, and go back to your Visual Studio or Notepad. Select everything, paste it, and now go to find and find access. So you can see here, name access key, and you enter your access key here from our V3 forms. So just copy it. Go here, paste it, save it. It will replace our previous index file, minimize it, and now we need to re-upload our website. So let me show you how to update your website if you make some changes. It's a good thing to do. Go back here under the workers and pages and select your dentist, select your deployments. On the right side, click Create Deployment, and just drag and drop as usual. Click Save and Deploy, and click Continue to Project. And you can see we have a new deployment, this one here. Okay, we go back to our form. You can add some phone number, you can choose the service, tell something, request appointment. Go to your Gmail and you can immediately see our form submission arrives in a few seconds. If you click it, you will get all the information here. And boom, your modern dental website is live and ready to start bringing in clients. Grab this exact template for free, links is in the description, and start using it today. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe, because I've got more step-by-step guides coming that show you exactly how to build websites for local businesses that get real results. So don't miss out.